Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Samo and today I'm going to talk about one of the first and most important concepts in statistics and epidemiology, the types of data. Before we can do any kind of analysis, we need to know what type of data we are working with, because that determines which statistical test we can use and how we should interpret the result. In general, all data fall into two big categories: qualitative and quantitative. Qualitative data, also called categorical data, they don't use numbers. Instead, they describe qualities or group things together. Sometimes it's just two groups that's called binary or dichotomous, like yes or no, male or female, smoker or non-smoker. Other times there are more than two groups. Some are nominal, like blood type, where there is no natural order, and others are ordinal, where there is an order, like pain levels or stages of disease. With ordinal data, the order matters, but the exact distance between categories isn't measurable, so we cannot do precise math with them. On the other hand, we have quantitative data. These are numerical. They can be discrete, which are whole numbers, and we can count, like the number of hospital visits or the number of children in a family. Or they can be continuous, which can take any value within a range, like height and weight. Continuous data can even be measured with great precision. So, to wrap up, understanding the type of data is the first step in statistics. In the next video, we'll explore how to convert between data types and dive deeper into each of them. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow.